Hello viewers, this is from Gomadi English channel. வினா வாக்கியம் அமைத்தல் for framing questions. யாருடைய whose, இந்த பேனா யாருடையது, இந்த பை யாருடையது. Whose pen is this, whose bag is this. For example, whose pen is this, whose is this pen, which is the correct one. Whose pen is this அப்படிங்கிறது தான் correct. Because whose is a possessive pronoun used for asking about the ownership or possession. For example, whose book is this அப்படிங்கிற, it means you are asking about the owner of the book. Who is the owner அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக we are using whose book is this. In another way, whose is used to introduce a relative class indicating possession. For example, he is my friend whose house is nearer to the school. Here relative clause is whose house is nearer to the school. Thank you for watching.